Okay, so I'm just recording this quick video because I'm setting up this entire infrastructure for self-hosting, so you can run your projects, your startups, your ideas from one single BPS, right? Depending on your budget and the resources that you wanna or that you need in order to run your projects. But I'm using Coolify, and there are certain specific configurations that we need to tweak, right? Especially for security, but also for long term. So I'm documenting this process. So what I want to achieve right now is, if you have used Coolify, I really recommend it. I think it makes everything straightforward to deploy applications and all of that. You can go and take a look the docs, and also they have a pretty well documented process for installation. But right now, the problem is that to access the dashboard, the script uses your public IP address of from your BPS within a specific port number, specifically 8,000. So this is not nice, all right? I don't really like people knowing my public IP address and knowing that I'm running this dashboard in port 8,000 to just see the dashboard and the login panel, because I don't really like that, right? And of course I have this hacking mindset, and I know what to do when I find a login panel. Even if I have two-factor authentication, I just feel better by not exposing this to the internet. So the solution right here is setting up a pair of SSH keys, so only people that have SSH keys via WireGuard, which is an open VPN, can access this specific dashboard, okay? And we can set up more rules with iptables and Linux, okay, the cool stuff, to enforce, okay, this rules. But there are a lot of things, and the main challenge right here is that I need, or well, by the configuration of Coolify, they keep changing the IP addresses, right? So for example, if I want to protect this container that is running on the IP address 10.0.1.5, but it changes, then my iptables rules won't take into effect, right? They won't really enforce those rules, because now the dashboard that is running on that IP address is no longer there. It's in a different IP address. So it messed up the entire IP table. So you might be wondering, okay, then just protect the entire subnet, okay? Just like a 10.0.1.0/24. And yeah, it's valid. However, if you're exposing public applications like web applications, those applications are running automatically on that Docker bridge or network bridge, okay? So yeah, there are a lot of challenges, and there are multiple options right here. And I figure, okay, you know what? Let's just go down, just go in and touch and tweak the details of Coolify to enforce that these IP addresses are static, okay? So this is what I'm going to do, and I'm gonna document all the process, all right? Because once you achieve that, you can be pretty comfortable and safe that only people who have access to that dashboard is only people who have SSH keys, and you have set up, you know, the WireGuard interface, so you can protect that dashboard, all right? So I hope I can document the process, but this is just like my thinking process in order to solve a problem in any realm of the software engineer, or like computer science, or whatever you want to do it, like, or whatever you want to do with code. So I think it's very valuable, okay? So